Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up your Telegram channel so that new members must send a join request before they can enter. This is a fantastic way to protect your community's privacy, add a layer of moderation, and give you more control over who joins your channel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to enable join requests step by step and understand how it all works behind the scenes. So let's dive right in. First things first, there are a couple of requirements you'll want to make sure are covered before you get started. You'll need to be an administrator of the Telegram channel you're working with, and you should have an up-to-date version of the Telegram app, whether you're on Android, iOS, or using the desktop version on your computer. Newer features like join requests might not show up if your app is outdated, so if you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to check for app updates before proceeding. This just saves you any headaches later in the process. Once you're ready, open up the Telegram app on your device. Go to your channel. You can find it under your chat list or by searching for its name. When you've got your channel opened, look at the very top of the screen and tap on your channel's profile picture or the channel name. This will bring you to the channel info page, which is basically the hub for all your channel settings. Now in the channel info area, you're looking for the edit button. On Android and desktop, it's usually a pencil icon in the top right corner. On iOS, it might simply say edit. Give that a tap. You're now in the edit channel menu where the magic happens. Here, what you want to focus on is the section labeled channel type or sometimes channel settings, depending on your app version. Tap this and you'll see options for public channel and private channel. Here's a key detail to remember: join requests only work with private channels. If your channel is currently set to public, you won't be able to use this feature. Switching to private is like changing the channel's status from an open plaza everyone can walk into to a gated community where people need permission to come in. Once you select private channel, you'll notice a new option becomes available called invite links, or sometimes manage invite links. Go ahead and tap on this option. This opens up the controls that let you customize how people join your channel. Inside the invite links management screen, scroll down and look for an option named require admin approval or approve new members. The actual wording might vary a bit depending on your app and the updates you have, but it usually appears at the bottom of this section. Toggle this option on. What you're doing here is telling Telegram that you, as the admin, want to review each join request before anyone can actually join. It's an extra checkpoint for safeguarding your channel. Now, what happens after you've set this up? Whenever someone clicks on your invite link, they won't see a simple join button anymore. Instead, they'll get a request to join button, which means their access isn't automatic. You'll get a notification letting you know someone's requested to join. All the pending requests will show up in your channel info under the invite links section, where you can personally approve or decline each new member. And there you go, you now have full control over who comes into your Telegram channel. This setup is perfect for communities where privacy, the quality of conversation, or membership vetting are important. Think professional groups, local clubs, or any place where you want to keep things organized and personable. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions about Telegram channels or run into trouble anywhere, just leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Telegram community.